Hey guys, how are you all? Honor unveiled a new ultra affordable phone called Honor Play 8. So this phone is powered by Helio A22 chipset. It has one camera on the back and a basic tall panel but comes with a very aggressive pricing of $120. Talking about the specification of this phone, the display is 5.7-inch LCD display with thick bezels and water drop notch on the top. The resolution is HD+. Coming to the camera section, the camera on the back has 13MP sensor and the front camera is just 5MP. The 13MP rear camera having an aperture of 1.8. In this phone, you can also find the face unlocking technology that compensates for the lack of fingerprint scanner. Honor Play 8 has 2GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage, which is best for this low budget phone. The phone actually has a triple slot so that won't cost you a dual SIM functionality. Phone runs EMUI 9.0 based on Android Pie and packs a 3020 mAh of big battery. That is a very good addition for a low budget phone. This phone is already available in China and this phone will be launched in other countries in the month of July and August 2019. So this is all about the low budget phone from Honor Play 8. If you like this phone or what you feel about this phone, please comment in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.